those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Marta and nice to meet you. And for all of you that know me, welcome back. Today I am going to show you what it takes to take good photographs of still lifes and flowers, particularly roses, to photograph so you can paint them. I ordered these beauties online and they smell delicious. This one is called White O'Hara, and this one right here is called Juliet. I have a bunch of them, so let's see what we can do. Some of the video will be dark because I am only using my North Light window. I found that is the best light to photograph pretty much anything to paint. So bear with me, but I thought it would be a good idea to show you exactly how it is. For years, I used to use an SLR camera, Canon Rebel, but after buying my iPhone 14 Pro, I realized that it takes much better photographs. So that's pretty much what I use now. My husband made me this stand and it's very useful, and this is what I use for my still lifes. You can see I can put a bunch of different backgrounds in here, which these are just color papers that I've done. This is a gray blue that has a distinctive old world kind of a stucco effect on it. And then I have this satin white sheet over here because sometimes I want to diffuse the light that comes from the window, and the light that comes from this window is North Light, which is the one that I use for all my setups. I like North Light because it doesn't change and it's very soft and it really looks really good with roses. Now I have something else that my husband made me, and I copied this from another artist, and this is great because this attaches the roses in here. I'll show you in just a moment, so you can position them any way you want to create your photographs, and you can see it in action now. See, I have attached each one. I have placed it on a water vial so they don't die while I'm taking photographs. And then I wrap the cables around it, and then I can move them any which way I want. If I want it to stay like this, it just stays like that, and it doesn't fall down. And you cannot do this on a vase if they're on a vase. They don't have mobility. I wanted to lay back like that. I wanted to move forward. I have a lot more control when I do that. The trick is to place them one at a time and see how they look like. I'm changing the papers as I go to get a different effect, and you can see how this is giving me a pretty dramatic effect right here when the paper is red, very rich. Now I have a mid-tone brown, and I like the effects that I get. We are changing the paper now to an even darker still, and I really like the richness that we get with this. All right, I'm trying a different rose now. This is called Juliet, and I'm using a blue base because it's the complementary of orange. Now I feel really bad that I'm cutting these roses so short to fit on the bases, but ultimately I bought them to paint them. So I have to do what I have to do. I was curious and I turned off one light. I put the red rich paper behind it. See how it looks like? I don't like this because it's too many bright colors that clash with each other. The red definitely doesn't showcase the orange and the rose, and the blue base is way too powerful. So I wonder what will happen if I change the base. Well, changing the base definitely helps, but I still don't like it. The red is way too overpowering. Next, I'll be showing you different photos I took, why some work and why some don't. The aim here is to come up with the best composition to create a painting. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe so I can make more videos like this in the future. And also, you may want to watch this next one.